Hey there, welcome back guys. In this video we're going to show you how to transfer your footage from your drone to your phone. All you're going to need is a USB-C cable and your drone and your phone. Android, Apple, doesn't matter. So without any further ado, let's get started. I'm just going to push everything over here so that you guys can see what's happening. We're going to go into basically plug it into our phone, and as you can see it's already plugged into our drone, but what we want to do is turn it on. Okay, so let's see, just gonna hit the on button. Oops, and you hear that beep beep beep. Wait for it. There we go. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to our phone and we're gonna type in the little search box, wherever your search box is, we're gonna go type in files. So search in FIL, and there it is. And then we're gonna go browse, and as you can see we have our internal storage and our SD card. And in case you're wondering, watch, I'll plug it out and wait for it. Disappears. Plug it back in and wait for it. On 3, 2, there it is. Remember, we have our internal storage and the SD card. So if you don't have an SD card, most likely your footage will be on the internal storage. So then what we're going to do, actually I need this. It doesn't work with the mouse. We're going to click on SD card. Click on the footage that we want, navigate to that folder. In this case, I kind of like, that one's a little big. They're all pretty big. So let's see, we'll take that one. And then I'll just select there, pause the video, and select that little button right here. See that on the left-hand corner when it goes up. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a, see, you have save to files, add new shared. And in this case, what we probably want to do is you could save to files. Okay. See? And then on my phone, click on the top right-hand corner right there. Right. And then you'll have new folder. And we're going to call this, you can call it whatever you want, but that's where the folder is going to be, in the Chrome folder. Okay. So most likely we would want for our new folder, right? Go back. To be here, and we're going to create a new folder, and we're going to call it avata 2 videos. Oops, put a little space there. 2 videos. See that? Caps lock. You know what? I don't like caps lock. Videos. Select save. See, video is already taken. So you can't have two folders with the same name. So in this case, we'll do a save it in the untitled folder, and voila, it'll save it there. You could always rename it, but at least now we know the folder's untitled. You can call it whatever you want. In the meantime, that is going in there. It'll take a little bit of time for it to go in. If you have the goggles, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. You can just put the SD card in here and then push this into the phone. I'll show you how that works in a second. So you'll have to pull out the SD card. And as you can see, this one is still saving. Remember, it's about 1.9 gigabytes, okay? So knowing that and moving forward, we could navigate back. And as you can see, there's the untitled folder, but the footage is still it's 1.6 actually gigabytes. And then what we want to do is press that save button, and well, there we go, it's already there. So we can select done, right? And as you can see, if we go back to browse, and then if we go onto my phone, we should see an untitled folder at the bottom. See, there it is. And there's our footage. We can call it whatever you want, but in this case, what we'll do is, now that it's in these folder directory, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to select it again. No need to let it play. Go there, and then what you're going to do is you're going to select save video. Okay, so the video is saving, because as you can see, it's just working its magic. Select done. Now when I go into my photos, right, so if I go to my phone, go to the Photos app, it should be right here. See recent days? Right there. And there it is, my 2-minute video. Kind of neat, huh? Now, what you want to do is now you can go into your DJI Mimo application, okay? And once there, we don't need to connect to a camera, but we can open up the editor, add a new project, and see, there it is. Select next, and now I can edit my footage moving forward. Same thing works with the goggles. With the goggles, what you can do is, if you have a little USB-C camera card reader, what you would do is, you would do this. You would take your SD card out of the goggles, because sometimes it's a little glitchy with the goggles, doesn't always work. So what we'll do is we'll plug it out of here from the phone. Okay, I'll show you how it works with him here. So we're going to plug this in to the little USB-C card reader. Make sure you have it in the correct position. And then we're going to take it, all right, and then plug it into the phone. I'll do this so that you guys can see from here in the transition window. I'm going to plug it in. 3, 2, oh, actually, let's go here. Go to search. Oh, I have to do it from here. Go to files. And go back. And now it should appear on 3, 2, 1. Wait for it. It might take a little bit longer. And see, voila. Remember, SD card only. There's no internal storage on the SD card unless maybe you've partitioned the drive or something. So the same process, you would save it and then open it up in the DJI or whichever application you use for editing your software. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.